Check that out. Hello everybody. We're talking about dirt bikes today. I got a race coming up this weekend in Alabama. It's called the Hillbilly Enduro. So welcome to Tree Row Rescue. Yep. Good times. All right, so where to begin? This is an issue. So, come here, let me show you. So, mind you, I have a swing arm guard, right? So, the rule of thumb is, if you can get 3 fingers underneath your chain, that's about where it needs to be, right? So, well, with this chain guard on it, I should only be able to get 2.5. So it should be like that right there. So I know that this is loose. Chances are my axle nut's loose. Let's go over here, I'll show you that. There's the Impala. I got a 2000 RPM stall converter going into that sucker. That's pretty cool. So now, let's see. This being loose is a indication that, well, your axle nut's probably loose, and it is. It's a 2-stroke, so it vibrates like crazy, and if you don't stay up on the maintenance, well, you're going to lose some nuts. I mean, but if you ride a 2-stroke, you got a massive pair anyway, so it's okay. If you ain't mixing gas, you ain't hauling the mail. You know the thing. So, I mean, it's kind of convenient that that's loose already, because what I got to do is I got to adjust these screws here and set my chain tension. So, 10 wrench and a 13. So in here, you grab a hold of that, and you just hold that in place, and you run this out. See it moving the chain tension there? That is huge. That's about right, actually. So what I want to do now is I'm going to lock this in place. Check it again. See, about 2.5 fingers there. So now I'll tighten up my axle nut, keeping my tire square. And if you race yourself, I don't know if you do or not. Let's see, how's that look? Perfection. Now I'm going to lube it down. I never use chain wax because I'm in the sand. Oh man. And chain wax, all chain wax is going to do in sand, because, you know, Florida, it's going to get into that chain and it's going to destroy it. Sorry, I didn't mean to punch you. Lube the bottom side and move it around. Run that tire around and it will lubricate all the way around the chain, top and bottom. We're going to be staying on a military base and going through the museum. If I'm allowed to, I'll bring you along for that, because I think that's going to be really cool. Our team captain, JB, who you're going to meet, he was, I want to say he was an Apache pilot. All right, well, we've made it. We are in Alabama at the Hillbilly Enduro. It is March 24th. And we got the team here. Dirt bikes everywhere. There's Eric. Say hi, Eric.
Hi.
Hi. Got dirt bikes everywhere. This one's mine. Still got my 24-hour Enduro stickers on it. That's Chris. JB. There's another guy recording.
Dog.
There's the race rig. Let me get a picture of this. Watch this. Check this out, guys. Team Enduro. That's us. Custom race rig. There's Chris.
What's up, buddy?
So everybody's kind of hanging out, getting ready, pulling their bikes out. Key time for row number 1 is 9:01. I am on row 23 today, so my key time will be 9:24. It's not a huge race. We're going to be doing a couple of loops back to back to back to back, 30 some odd miles, 36 miles, something like that. It is a brisk 40 degrees. It's going to be a beautiful day for racing. What's up, JB?
Freezing.
Races at the races. Go check out JB's channel. It's literally what it's called. Julie Bravo channel.
Super creative.
So yeah, it's original. It's an original channel. But I'll put a link to his channel in the description below if you like that stuff. Go subscribe to him. It's a good time. It's funny.
Rip and rob, boy, rip and rob. Nope, struggle bus rob, that's what it is. Where am I going? One here. Going over here. And away we go. I need. Alrighty, back on the wood we go. Oh, that's a downhill right there, my boy. Here we go. Nailed it. I got something on me. I got thorns on me. Go away. Oops. Uphill we go. Y'all. Got it. Oops. That was See, consistent throttle works miracle. There we go. Wrong gear though. I'm too choppy. Oh, it's no battle. Struggle bus rob. Struggle bus rob. Trying not to crash. I'm going up here. I'm going down here. There we go. Make it look easy. It's not. I'll tell you that right now. Oh, off camber up here. Okay. With roots. And that's not what you're supposed to do. Oops. They're all out. You know what? Come on. Struggle bus rob. That's holy.
So it's lunchtime. I'm already ate. Got a little bit of water in me, some sugar, and getting ready to go do test 6. It's test 6, ain't it?
Yeah, 6.
Yeah, test 6. Heck yeah. So almost done.
On your left. Oh, that's a vine. Shit. I told you it was a vine. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I'm tangled up. I'm tangled up. Somebody help. Did you help? Help me! I'm caught up in a oh shit, mud. I hit neutral. You know, it's impossible to hit neutral unless you're on the dang ground. The only time you can really hit neutral. Just a leisurely stroll through the woods on my motor scooter. Have fun. Cambridge. Wait. I'm slow, smoke off, just a tiny. Oh, skinny. Go over here. Look, that's over. Dang, that's quick. Man, that was quick.
All right, we have completed. So that's a staple in itself. Came off the couch onto the bike and I completed the race. 8 tests, can't remember how many miles. Here's my bike. It's a bit muddy. Yep. But I think everybody on the team has finished the race thus far. I think we only got a couple of guys still out there. They're on ladder rows. All right, team captain, how'd you do? How do you think you did?
I didn't do well, but I had a lot of fun, and that was a lot of, you know, it was a good time. If I hadn't have fallen down a few times, it'd been even better. But I can safely say the last test, clean, first one, just spotless for me. So I'm happy with that one. That's got to be my fastest time. But other than that,
Tell people where to find you.
Boy, it's a bitch halfway up.
JB's channel at The Young and the Rest of Us.
There you go.
There we go.
Look them up. You want dirt bike content? It's awesome. Great.
That's probably why this was gonna replace the Apache. Yeah.
So this is what's replacing the Apache.
These things fold down and this will drop out the bottom. Come out from the top. Like that. This is all Airwolf right there. But it was billions of dollars.
Man, they spent billions on it to kill the program.
Why?
They couldn't.
What's the point? Parts and pieces, but
That's going to do it. So we are going to enjoy this, and we'll see you next time right here on Trio Rescue. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll do a little bit more of capturing some of these aircrafts, but other than that, we're going to enjoy the time. Have a wonderful day.
Movie Black Hawk Down.